Overwatch lagging and dropping frames? Here are the exact settings to fix it. Open Overwatch, hit Escape, Options, then the Video tab, Display Mode Full Screen, Graphics API DirectX 11, Dynamic Render Scale off, Render Scale Custom 100, Frame Rate Custom, type in your monitor's refresh rate, VSync off, Triple Buffering off, Reduce Buffering on, Nvidia Reflex enabled plus boost. No Nvidia? Skip it. Graphics quality, upsampling, Nvidia card, DLSS, quality, AMD or Intel, FSR 2.2. Anti-alias quality, low or off. Texture quality, low. Texture filtering quality, epic or low. Local fog detail low. Model detail low. Shadow detail off. Effects detail low. Lighting quality low. Refraction quality low. Ambient occlusion off. Dynamic reflections off. Local reflections off. Damage effects default or low. Check your render scale again. Confirm it's still set to 100. Hit apply and try it now. If your frames are back, drop a comment saying fixed. If it's still dropping, update your GPU drivers first, nvidia.com/drivers or amd.com/drivers. Open Start, search Graphics Settings, Advanced Graphics Settings, Hardware Accelerated GPU Scheduling, on. This won't affect anything else on your PC. Search Game Mode, turn it on. Search Power Plan, change Advanced Power Settings. If you have the option, set this to high performance or ultimate performance. Try it now. If that didn't get it, if you're on Wi-Fi, plug in Ethernet. Wi-Fi causes frame drops even when your ping looks fine. Close everything running in the background. Chrome, Discord, any launchers you're not in, and try it now. Overwatch should be smooth with no frame drops. Drop a comment saying fixed. If it's still lagging, tell me what GPU you're on and what your FPS counter reads.